So, what is object-oriented programming? It is a programming language where code is designed in a way, इस तरह से कोड को डिजाइन किया जाता है where we have functions and attributes. किसके? Objects के. Let's come back to that programming, definition. We have an object. What is object-oriented programming language? A code is designed in such a way, right, that we have an attributes, name, age, birth date, and we have a functions. किसके? Objects के. If Sarah will come, it will become an object of account holder. If Harry will come, it will become an object. Tom will come, it will become an object. Understood? Can you relate this definition now? It is a method of a programming where code is designed and based on किसके ऊपर based होता है? Functions and attributes. These are the names, age, date of birth, and function. What you can do in bank? You can deposit the money. You can withdraw the money. पर ये सब कौन कर सकता है? Who can do it? Of the object. So the features of object-oriented programming. Class, this is very, very, very important. First feature, अभी तक we have discussed now, classes and objects. So I think everybody clear with this first feature. Everybody understood. Okay, what we do is we create a class, and with the help of a class we create an object. Right? So this feature is clear with everybody. Then there is encapsulation, then abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, dynamic binding, message passing. Right? What are classes and what are objects? I think we have discussed a lot about it. Let me read the theory part of it. What is a class? It is a building block of C++ that leads to an object-oriented programming in C class, right? So what is a class? Class is a user-defined data type which holds its own data members and functions. Data members are these data types, age, gender, right? So these and functions. We have discussed this. A class is a blueprint of an object. We have discussed this also, right? A class is a user-defined data type which has data members and member function, right? So I think everybody clear with what class is. Now you can relate what is class, right? And what is an object? Like somebody has said that Toyota has created a different objects. Same way, you have a class called car, and with that class you can create as many objects as you want, right? So I have a class called car, and I can create an object of that classes, right? So what is an object? It is an entity with some characteristics and behavior, right? It is an instance of a class, right? When a class is defined, no memory is allocated, right? We can say that in C++, it is basically a blueprint. Blueprint कि आपको क्या प्रोवाइड कराना है. क्लास मैंने create की कार की. If I've created a class of car, so what I should put? Okay, it should have 4-seater, right? First of all, it's a 4-wheeler. So how many seats should be there? Right? Which color it is it? Which color I want to insert? Right? These are the properties. These data members I'm talking about. Right? So these are the properties of class, and which property you want to access, you will create an object of that. कि इस क्लास से मैंने ये इसमें जो भी मैं वैल्यूज डालूंगी वो मैंने इसमें डाला कि मुझे रेड कलर चाहिए या येलो कलर चाहिए. Object. So it will give you that object. Clear? What is class and what are objects? Clear with everybody? Third thing is encapsulation. Now, what is this encapsulation? How to remember this? See, you are a beginner, right? So, as the name suggests, encapsulation. This is capsule. Everybody has seen the capsule? Everybody remember capsule? capsule that we eat, it's look like this, yes or no, right? What it is, what exactly capsule will do? It will merge two things into one, wrapping up of a data and an information into a single unit, right? That is encapsulation. Now what is wrapping? Wrapping up of a data. What I can wrap? I can wrap, okay, let's take an example of an account holder. I have a class as account holder. So उसमें क्या क्या होगा? उसमें होगा उसका नाम, किसका अकाउंट खोलना है, which account you have to open, उसका एज क्या है, उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, उसका एड्रेस क्या है. What are these variables? Using that variables with the method. I want to open my account. I want to deposit the money. I want to transfer my money. All these are what? Methods. So what is a class? It is a combination of variables and methods. That is what is discussed. And what is this calculation? Wrapping of them together is called encapsulation in object-oriented programming. So will you remember encapsulation throughout your life? Just remember capsule. That is encapsulation. Wrapping of methods and variables together is encapsulation.